Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can catch the flathead, whale, shark and fish it. So this massive mythic fish requires a specific setup and a lot of patience, and here I'm going to show you the location to get this mythic fish. So as you guys can see, I've already inside the ancient ruin, and this is where you can get this fish. And for the exact location, I'm going to go down here. Let's go down first. So I fish from this exact location, and as for the road, I'm using the ghostwing road with the singularity bait. So that's how you can catch the flat-headed whale, shark and fish it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.